you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world needs, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing I couldn't do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not, what I've got, what is more than I'd ever hoped for. And a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. Thank you. Only praise that can describe what I feel right now. Thank you because you gave me a chance to be part of your lives. To our beloved and respected school officials of Mount of Mercy Academy, Ms. Zoraida Candazzo, Ms. Asuncion Hidalgo, Attorney D.C. Candazzo, teachers, parents, guests, and students, a pleasant morning. It's difficult for me to write this message because I feel guilty and uncomfortable of not being there beside you, especially for my dear special students. I really miss all of you, the sweetness, the fun, the love given by my students and parents and friends. Indeed, Mount of Mercy Academy has molded me to who I am today. You are always here in my heart, and I can't ever forget you. I'll treasure all the moments I had with you before. For the kids, hopefully all your dreams in life are successfully fulfilled. I'd like to share to you a poem entitled, Your Teacher. I'm glad I was your teacher. I've come to love you so. I can't believe the end is here. I hate to see you go. Remember all the fun we had, in all the things we did, but most of all remember, you are a very special kid. Ending starts off a new beginning. I am definitely sure that this is not the last time we'll be seeing each other, inshallah. I am positive what lies ahead is good for everyone. I am wishing you all the best until we meet again. Thank you and God bless us all.